Obviously, we're in the metro and heading to Trade Center Metro Station. Hey everyone, we are here in Dubai and Mesli stand with you. We're going to participate the Dubai Run 2025. It is once in a year event and it's free community run.
Ang masasabi ko, gusto kong matulog. Ay, wah!
So actually, it's not yet started. We have to go there nearby at the starting line. It should be started at 6:30 in the morning for the walk, run and jog.
The RTA, Dubai Municipality and more. And as we get ready right now, you can see the Talabat riders are all ready to go. They look like they're going to be leading it. We've done an amazing job. Look at you, thousands of you appearing on Shades at work right now. We want to say thank you for your patience as well. We've got the 10Ks on the left, the
Kanawad ako na kayang luz.
Turn it up, Scotty, let's go. Scott Forshaw live in the mix. Let's go!
Yeah!
But again, more than 200,000 people are going to be here. Let's see, we're expecting to break records to be the world's largest fun run, and as we stated, this is fun.
Tell me. Paano mag-jogging? Jogging daw, be? Aywa!
Presented by My Dubai. Katie Overy, myself, Chris Fane. We are here this morning to have you guys look amazing. And if you know the words, Dubai, sing it out loud. Everybody sing it, let's go!
Run. We're not here to race, please be mindful of everybody around you. We have the most incredible Dubai Run 2025.
With that ruthless assault, Scotty.
May dalawang pula pa doon. Nabukot na ng pula. Nanawa na bukot na pula.
Off the ground. So those wanting to ride in the start line, let's touch the front row. We see you coming off the metro. Hello to everybody on the first lane, right?
You know, every year this will definitely be a world's largest fun run. Biggest priority.
Line is the 5K runners. Good morning, 5K runners.
What up, guys? You 5K runners are amazing. Well, hello to all our teams. Hello, everybody. What a beautiful moment is your Dubai Run 2025. Again. Wow. Absolutely iconic. Amazing. U25 is officially underway. Congratulations just for waking up and being on.
Remember, when you see the cameras,
Good morning, Dunkin' Donuts. You know where I am. Come and
cameras, and we've got our... Hey guys, the inflatable costumes. I think I just saw a bunny somewhere.
tindahan daw.
And finally done the finish line. It was so busy steps where I couldn't get a chance to film it while I'm running. Yes guys, I actually ran and that's why I lost my friends. So right now I'm here waiting until they finish. But the volunteers not allowed us to stay right this corner. Now I'm heading to Dubai Mall entrance where I will meet them there. I'm gonna be waiting them in Dubai Mall entrance. And after we finish the run, if they are completed the finish line, then we're going back home or we're gonna find something to eat nearby. If not, then we're going to another place to just to have a breakfast and lunch at the same time. So thanks again for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, or if you are enjoying the Dubai run, if you're here in Dubai and you joined the Dubai run 2025, hopefully you also enjoy the experience. Again, shukran wa ma'asalama. Bye for now and see you in my next video.
Lost in paradise.